Hello, kindergartners. I hope and pray that you all stay safe and sound at home. In today's lesson, I am going to teach you about shapes. So, are you ready? So, let's start. You have learnt about plane and solid shapes. Let's revise and consolidate our knowledge. The objectives of today's lesson are: recognize and draw 2D and 3D shapes. Find and divide 2D shapes into equal halves. Complete the given task in Math Workbook pages 22, 34 and 35. Let's have a look on the properties of 2D and 3D shapes. Let's start with 2D shapes. 2D or plane shapes are those which can be drawn on the flat surface such as a paper. They have two measurements, length and breadth. They also known as two-dimensional or 2D shapes like triangle, circle, square and rectangle. Let's have a look what these 2D shapes are saying. What circle is saying? It is saying, I have one side. My side is curved. I have no corners. The square is saying, I have four sides. My sides are all the same size. I have four corners. The triangle is saying, I have three sides. My sides are straight. I have three corners. And the rectangle is saying, I have four sides. My sides are equal but all the opposite sides. I have four corners. Now you can see the examples of these 2D shapes. The circular shapes are like cookies, pizzas and wheel. The square shapes are carom board, handkerchief and saucers. Triangular shapes are like sandwiches, hangers and display boards. Rectangular shapes are like doors, photo frames and cards. We can divide a whole 2D shape into equal parts. As you can see, these shapes all are divided into equal parts. Have a look on this shape. It is divided into equal parts. But this shape is not divided into equal parts. One is bigger part and the other one is smaller. So you can divide all the 2D shapes in equal parts like this. Let's learn about 3D shapes now. What are 3D shapes? Objects that occupy space are called 3D or solid shapes. 3D or solid shapes have three measurements: length, breadth and height. So a solid shape is also known as three-dimensional or 3D shape. As you can see in the picture, these all shapes are called solid shapes. And their names are cone, cuboid, sphere, cylinder and cube. This is a cube. As you can see in the picture, this shape is called a cube. What cube is saying? I have 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. What are vertices? Vertices are the corners of a solid shape. These are the examples of a cube: a dice, ice cube, sugar cubes, chalk box, and a gift box. This shape is called sphere. Sphere is a round shape. It is saying, I have 1 face, 0 edges and 0 vertices. The example of sphere are football, globe, orange and cricket ball. These all are examples of a sphere. This shape is called cylinder. What cylinder is saying? It is saying, I have 3 faces, 2 edges and 0 vertices. The examples of cylinder are a chalk, glass, candle, a log of a wood and a tube light. This shape is called a cone. What the cone is saying? I have 2 faces, 1 edge and 1 vertex. These are the examples of a cone: a top, a joker's cap, or it can be a party cap as well, sharpened pencil and a funnel. This shape is called a pyramid. A pyramid is saying, I have 5 faces, 8 edges and 5 vertices. Pyramid shape objects are roof, mountain, pyramids and tent. Let's have a look on the next shape. This is a cuboid. What a cuboid is saying? It is saying I have 6 faces, 12 edges and 0 vertices. These are the examples of a cuboid: a matchbox, book, brick, tea pack, suitcase and almirah. You can find all these objects at your home. Now let's come to your task. These are all our shape crafts. You can make paper shapes and you can build a house, a castle and different crafts. If you require help, you can watch the video again and you will watch the second part of the video to learn more about 3D shapes, their vertices, faces and edges. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Bye for now and see you soon.